We got the best two deals at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way to run the platform. My subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. We still got the Makita great deals hacks. You spend $279, you get a free tool. That ratchet, the oscillating tool, the reciprocating saw, the circular saw. That one's a really good one. The angle grinder, the speaker, Bluetooth speaker. Then for this one, you can get to choose from that 249. Obviously, the 279 is going to be the best deal, and much better units. And $23. This is new lower price, so definitely check it out. There's a pry bar and a hammer, Milwaukee. Then you got the shirts. This is a t-shirt, short sleeve for $19.97. These are great for the work. Even if you would just want to sport the Milwaukee logo, here they are. You should start seeing them at your stores. They got the buy one get one free from Milwaukee, so $3.99 will get you 8 amp hour. $2.29 for the M12 will get you the brand new 5 amp hour battery. High output batteries on both of these, so definitely check it out. These are great deals if you're starting out. Now we got this is the high torque ratchet. It looks like a stubby. It does have all the bits inside, and it is ratchet. It is ratchet as an 8-in-1. Then we got the 9-in-1 multi ratchet and driver bit set. All right, same thing with Ryobi. They are having the buy more save more. So you spend that $2.99, you save $100. Spend $2.49, save $70. Spend $129, save $30. Obviously, that $2.99 is going to get you the best value. All right, same thing with this. Buy one, get one free. So you buy any of the tools on the top, you get a free 4 amp hour. You buy any 2 tools or combos at the top, you get 2 6 amp hours, which is the best deal. And then you got this $169. You got the oscillating tool and the drill. Pretty good deals. And then they got some all over the front of the store. They got fans. And then they got some high visibility shirts for the construction, for the crew. Really nice Carhartt breathable. And then for best bang for your buck for budget, basically we got the Rigid 2.0, $39 for the small medium box, $49 for the large, and then $89 for the rolling toolbox. So pretty good deals on these. Then check this out, guys. Down from 34, it's down to 1804. It's the accessory cleaning kit for the cars from Rigid. It does have all sorts of. But check this out, guys. I saw this the same thing for $882, a new tag. So go get them, guys. Make sure you guys show them that tag at your depot. Hopefully they'll price match it. Make sure you guys take a screenshot on that. You got 320 down from 399. That's 18 horsepower or 18 volts. Track saw 6.5. Then this is the sliding compound for 320. It's a miter saw. A 10-inch slider. And they're lowering the price on these because they want to get them out the door. It's like a clearance section that they got going on this side. They got the table saw, same thing with this one. A 12-inch table saw. And then they got guys, they're dropping in some stores. Make sure you guys pay attention. Some of the stores are dropping these to $149. I did see that at the Deal Team 6. Big shout out to Deal Team 6. So some of these are $149. Make sure you guys pay attention at your store if you guys see any of these. This one's dropping too. This is the hammer drill with the 2 HP batteries for $80 down from $159. That's a pretty good deal. And you got this one for $70 down from $99. It's a rotary tool kit. It is corded. And they got this 4 amp hour 2-pack batteries for $99. It's already sold out. Got the Husky 6-piece heavy duty storage hooks, $14.88. And then they got the utility card for $149. This is a great card, guys. Make sure you guys work smart. Don't break your back. Buy yourself accessories. I did buy myself a Gorilla card, just to save my back, and I love that thing. It's best to invest in your tools, accessories, so you can keep yourself healthy. All right, so and then this one, it's a really nice bag. It does have a lot of pockets inside. It's a great plumber's bag. This one's a discounted. This is the mower from Makita for 504 down from 629. That's a pretty good deal. 21 inch, 36 volts, self-propelled. So this is, you got all the bells and whistles on this one. And it does come with 4 batteries, guys. That's a lot of battery. You got the DeWalt's, 55 for the small, 75 for the medium, and 109 for the rolling. They still got deals on these. And then they got these tile saws. These are brand new tile saws. I've never seen these before. Slimline tile cutter. This is 24 inch for 107. They got a 21 inch for 46. And then they got the anvil ones for 26 bucks. So definitely a tile section that they got going on here. They got a mixer there for 149. And then they got a slider here for $3.99, which is, I think it's the same one that they got on the other side. Electrostatic sprayer, $1.99. I would definitely stay away from this one because you can get it at the DTO, Direct Tools Outlet. You get some massive discounts on those Ryobi tools. And then you got this is the drill kit for $119, down from $199. Pretty good deals. Then they got this jigsaw Bosch for $169. Top handle jigsaw. Guys, that's it for today. Just a really short video for today. Just want to show you guys what's up. Not a lot of new deals, but we got some clearance. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.